Welcome back to the Ronny Trost Workout Podcast. So, just woke up. I worked on my car, so I'm wearing my dirty car shorts. The workouts I do, it doesn't matter how dirty you are. Like, you won't see videos of people clean in the gym, but that doesn't matter. As long as you get the work done, that's all that matters. So I'm 63 now, and I don't feel old. I do a little bit, not much. But they say you lose muscle mass like 1% a year. I don't know. I haven't done this workout in a year or two. And I could do 6. I remember 6. This is the clean and press. So you got to go all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. These are metal weights. I know it looks like it's lightweight, but metal weights are heavy. I don't know how many pounds. Say 50, 60, 80. There's 100 pounds on there. My last video, you couldn't really see me, so I deleted it. The T-bar rows. I might do some T-bar rows today, just to, make up for the fact that it was raining and I had to put my phone in a certain place to get the water wouldn't get on it, and then the punching bag blocked the view. So I got old rusty weights in the backyard, and I'm still a little greasy from working on my car, adjusting the suspension. It's a 36-year-old car. Well, let's see if I can get to 6 plus 1. See if I got stronger, weaker. And let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh! 1. Oh! Oh! 2. Oh! Oh! 3. Oh! 4. Oh! 5. Oh! 6. Oh! 7. Oh! 8. Oh! I could probably get one more, but I gotta work till midnight, and I don't want my back to hurt too bad. Thanks for watching the Ronny Trost Podcast. Oh, wait. We're going to do some T-bar rows to make up for the last one. Let me move the camera. I don't know. You have to look at my butt. Let's look at the front. Let's see. I'll tilt it down a little bit, like that. That should do it. Let's see, what did we get last time? Something like 16. See what we can get this time. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, Oh, one more than last time. Oh. All right. That's it for this workout session. I'll drink some coffee and maybe get some curls in before I go to work. Over 60 bodybuilder.